Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, part 2 of this. If you want, after you've got 5 rings perfectly, if you would take, and let's set our nudge factor on that 5 inches and move this out of the way, this one piece, that's not enough, but we did 15 of them, 15 inches. So I'm going to Control G to group this. I need to set my nudge factor, so I'm going to measure from there to there, and it's 18 inches. That's because we moved it 4.5. So we're going to change our nudge factor to 18. We're going to hit the plus key and nudge it down. Now you're going to have to delete some lines, but look at that. I don't know why that keeps coming up. So you could make your daisy chain as long as you wanted. And what's so cool about this, we can nudge this down and then move it over that 5 inches, and it should be right on the mark. Now, some of them you're going to have to go through and take your virtual segment delete key, the one we made a copy of. But then you could continue that for however long you wanted it, and then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill in with red. Well, there's one more I need to delete. You know what? I maybe deleted the wrong lines back there. Let me back up. Yep, I deleted the wrong lines. So I want to do the circle. There we go. Now we can nudge this back over. One more little bitty line right there. And this will make life a lot easier after you've snapped to and make everything a little better. So get your Smart Fill tool and just fill in all I still see one more line, but Smart Fill would take care of it. If I was doing it for real, I would take it away. And then pick a different color. Let's go with green on it. And of course, you're going to have to do half one side and the other. And you could actually do a certain amount of these and nudge them down 18 inches because it'd be the same exact thing. You're just nudging colors, but since there's not that many, that's pretty cool, pretty quick, and pretty good looking little pattern. Let's go ahead and put our black box around it and see what it looks like. Go up to Object Order, back a page. It just makes it, to me, just makes it pop out. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.